We are in question. Remember, we are in question number yesterday. 15th is done. 16th also sum of 707. That also done. Prizes question.
17th question is also done, sir.
17th is also done. 18th one. So Hasni, 18th spiral is made up of successive semicircles. 18th question. So once you read the question, Hasni.
A spiral is made up of successive semicircles with centers alternately at A and B, starting with center A, radius 0.5 centimeters, 1.1 centimeter, 1.5, 2 centimeters as shown in the figure 5.4. Is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 contiguous semicircles? Take pi as 20 centimeters.
Okay, Hasni. So Hasni, they said that actually spiral, what is the spiral thing you need to understand. Hasni. Spiral, what will be the in general, Hasni? Spiral, it will continuously change the radius, Hasni. When you are like spiral, if you observe spiral anytime, this one, like this it will go. Okay, Hasni? If you observe this portion of circle, semicircle has same radius everywhere from the center, same distance. Now, if you observe this semicircle,
Yes.
the radius is increased. Now again, this bigger semicircle, if you draw a spiral, Hasni, like this, for understanding purpose, we are drawing a line at the center, Hasni.
Okay.
Now, if you draw the line at the center, you will see many circles here. First this circle, then this semicircles. You can imagine them with the semicircles.
Yes.
Okay. Constantly, like there is a change in radius, Hasni, if you observe. First, for this semicircles, the radius is this much. For the next one, it increased. The next one, it increased. Again, radius means the distance from the center to any point on the spiral, Hasni.
Okay.
So that is continuously changing.
Okay.
So this type of formation, we'll call it as spiral, Hasni. So we will have continuous. Actually, we know that if it is a circle, perimeter circumference of circle is given as 2 pi r, Hasni. Okay, circumference of semicircle. Sorry, circumference of a circle. Okay. Here in mute, Hasni. Circumference of circle is 2 pi r, which is the formula. So if it is a semicircle, Hasni, we need to just divide it with 2. That is, we'll get it as pi r.
Okay, sir.
Circumference of semicircle is pi r, Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So now what will happen is, in this question they are asking what is the total length of such a spiral made of 13 consecutive semicircles is the question asked. Means here in total in this spiral 13 semicircles are there in total.
Okay.
Different radii, but those radii are clearly following the arithmetic progression, Hasni. The increase in the radius is clearly following arithmetic progression. You can observe here 0.51, 1.52. They clearly follow arithmetic progressions.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So because of that reason, here for the radii we can apply arithmetic progression, but how to do the sum I'll explain, Hasni. They said that spiral is constantly changing the radii from the center, which is they are going in this way. What is the total length of such spiral made up of 13 consecutive semicircles? Means they're asking the total length, Hasni, of all the semicircles length. So all the semicircle length is nothing but, Hasni, just adding up the hello, Hasni?
Sir, could you hear me now? Hello, sir, could you hear me?
Yes, Hasni. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
So now Hasni, it is nothing but circumference. Circumference of circle means full circle has. But here this spiral has semicircles. Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
So we need to take semicircles. All the semicircle lengths, if you add it, then we'll get the total length of such spiral. The down
Okay.
figure we have here, we have figure. So if you add the individual lengths of all the semicircles, which are nothing but circumference of semicircles, if you add all of them,
Okay.
you will get the total length of the thing that is being used as.
Okay, sir.
So now what is the thing is Hasni? 18th question. Simply the first we'll write the radii Hasni. Let us name the radii. Here the radii are actually the terms Hasni. 0.5 R1, R2 is 1 centimeter, and R3 is 1.5 centimeter, like that. R4 is 2 centimeter, so on.
Okay.
Now total length of the spiral Hasni. Total length of spiral is equal to, so we know that 2 pi r is the circumference of circle Hasni, but this is semicircle, half of that. So 2 pi r by 2 means 2 will get that. Pi r only, pi r only is the circumference of semicircle Hasni.
Okay, sir.
So first semicircle circumference plus second semicircle circumference plus third semicircle circumference plus so on, like that. How many are there? 13 semicircles are there.
Okay, sir.
So pi r is the formula for semicircle circumference Hasni. So like that, 13 semicircles are there with different radii. So each circumference of semicircle we are adding pi r1 plus pi r2 plus pi r3 plus pi r4 plus so on, like that, pi r13. Okay,
Okay,
Hasni?
sir.
Now pi
Okay.
will be common here, Hasni. If you take pi common, r1 plus r2 plus r3 plus so on plus r13. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So pi is how much? 22/7 Hasni, into R1 plus R2 plus R3, 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus so on, like that. 13 terms are there. R13 we don't know, let us keep it R13.
Okay, sir.
Now Hasni, you can see the inside part. You have to add these first, then only we can multiply 22/7.
Yes, sir.
So that part, if you observe 0.5 plus 1 plus 1.5 plus so on, next 2 will be there. So clearly this series is in arithmetic progression. This part is clearly in AP, no, arithmetic progression.
Yes, sir.
So we can use to find out that sum Hasni, we can use sum of n terms formula.
Okay, sir.
So sum of n terms means sum of 13 terms Hasni.
Okay.
So here 13 terms are there. N is 13 by 2 into first formula I am using 2a plus n minus 1 into d, because 13th term is not there, no? So we cannot use the second formula. You have to find out 13th term, that is separately if you want to use the second formula. Okay,
Okay.
I'm using the sum of n terms formula for this part, like that. Here 13 terms are there, so sum of 13 terms.
Okay.
So 13 by 2 into 2a, 2 into 0.5 plus n minus 1, 13 minus 1 into d. D is 1 minus 0.5, 0.5. For
Okay. Okay.
this, firstly, a first term is 0.5, d is again 1 minus 0.5, 0.5.
Okay.
By mistake, I wrote 22/3 Hasni, it is 22/7.
Okay.
22/7. Any doubt, Hasni?
No, sir.
Yes. Now, this inside part simplification I am continuing here, Hasni. Part I am completing here, Hasni. So, what is the next step? Some 22/7 into 13/2, 2 into 0.5 is Hasni, 1 Hasni.
Okay.
1 plus 13 minus 1 is 12. 12 into 0.56.
Okay.
So 22/7 into 13/2 into 1 plus 6 is 7.
Okay.
Okay. So now it's completely multiplication now, Hasni, between them.
Yes, sir.
I can cut it. 7 ones are 7 ones are. 2 ones are 2 11s are. So we are left with 11 into 13, Hasni, which is 143 centimeter is the answer.
Okay.
Any doubt, Hasni? in the
No,
sum?
sir. No, sir.
So, Hasni, from this question, shall we freshly do it in our next class, Hasni?
Okay, sir.
Just for confirmation, answer, check the back answer, Hasni, for this 143 centimeter.
Okay.
18th question.
Yes, sir. 143 only.
Yes, Hasni. So here pi r is the formula for circumference of semicircle, Hasni. Half of the circle.
Okay.
Circumference of circle means 2 pi r. Full circle means 2 pi r. Semicircle means half of that. That is 2 pi r by 2 if you do pi r you do. Like that,
Okay.
13 semicircles are there. So we added 13 semicircles circumferences individually. Then we took pi common and the remaining part became series in AP, sum of 13 terms. We applied the formula. Combined
Yes.
into 2 plus minus 1 into D. N is 13, A is 0.5, D is also 0.5. In the
Okay.
middle of the sum, we applied the sum of n terms formulas after taking pi. Okay, Asmi? The radii of all the semicircles are the terms in this series, AP.
Okay, sir.
So again, we will do it in our next class, Asmi.
Okay, sir.
Yes, bye.
Bye.